हे गाइस, आज मैं लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही ऑसम सी रेसिपी, एक और वेरिएशन चिकन विंग्स का। सो आप देख रहे हैं मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ चिकन के टुकड़े ले लिए हैं। दीज आर चिकन विंग्स। ठीक है, अब मैं इसमें जल्दी जल्दी हर चीज़ ऐड करती जाऊँगी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल ऐड 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Depends on how much quantity do you have. Into that, little bit of chili vinegar. I'm going to mix this. Then I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, little bit of it. I'm going to add a bit of ketchup. It will be spicy, sweet and spicy, sweet, spicy, tangy. Or the star of this dish is this Schezwan Chutney. This is very awesome. Do try this. So I'm going to add maybe 1 tablespoon of this. और अब मैं इन सबको अच्छे से मिक्स कर दूंगी. And just because I have all these are sauce, so maybe you won't require sauce. मैं हल्का सा maybe a pinch of a dash of salt, and then I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes until my chicken is completely done. And when it's done, I'll show you. So this is how my marinated chicken looks like, and I have just arranged them in this baking tray, and I have greased this wire rack with with baking spray. So now I'm going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, and once it is done, then I'll show you. This is how it looked like when you take it out from oven. Guys, please do try it. Give it a thumbs up. This is an awesome recipe. It's hidden in my place. Do try it. Thank you.